lecture, we learned about system evaluation, and from now on, we will take time to solidify the learning content through quiz related to this. Now, let's read the first quiz. When calculating the processing time in the system evaluation, the distance from the estimation method. Calculation method by input. Number 2, calculation method by program size. Number 3, method of calculation by computer. Number 4, method of calculation by estimation. Not correct properly answer is number 2. A program size is not considered. Next question. What is the most inappropriate explanation for the effectiveness of documentation in system development? Number 1, it is a catering act in the system development stage. Number 2, efficient software development management is easy. Number 3, prevent confusion due to additional changes during system development. Number 4, easy maintenance after system development. Which ones are not correct? Yeah, the correct answer is number 1. Next questions. From the company's perspective, what is the most distance effect you can accept from documenting system development? Number 1, can communicate smoothly. Number 2, productivity can be improved. Number 3, information can be accumulated. Number 4, it can highlight the catering procedure of system development. What is the most distance answer? Number 4 is number 4 is the answer. What is the average time from the failure of the system to the next failure? Find the correct answer. The correct answer is number 3, MTBF. Mean time between failure. Which of the following is not for evaluating the system. Example 1, feasibility of system operation management. Number 2, determining the performance and usefulness of the system. Number 3, identify improvement points in terms of processing cost and efficiency. Number 4, system training of personnel retraining. The answer is number 4. Which of the following is not an advantage of documentation at each stage of system development? What is these advantages? Number 1, a new person in charge can easily grasp the contents of the existing work. Number 2, easy to change or maintain while using the system. Number 3, communication with the system development personnel can be smoothly achieved. All of this is correct answer. Number 4 is even without a standard development architecture, it is possible to develop large-scale systems with easy compatibility between systems through documentation. Number 4 is correct answer in these questions. Considering the following when introducing the system, the distance is far. Number 1, computer system compatibility. Number 2, secure required budget and operating organization. Number 3, appropriateness of device scale. Number 4, programmers' technical skills. Far distance answer is number 4. Number 4 is far from correct answer. Number 8, question 8. What is far from the purpose of documentation? Number 1, it is possible to prevent confusion caused by changes after system development. Number 2, system maintenance is easy after development. Number 3, parallel development by multiple developers is possible. Number 4, it is a catering process in the system development process. The correct answer is number 4. Let's move on to the next question. Which of the following is not necessary when designing a program for standardization? Number 1, unification of guidelines when writing programs. Number 2, uniform coding method. Number 3, unification of system definition. Number 4, unification of detailed flowchart. What is correct answer? The correct answer is number 3, unification of system definition. Next question. What is not suitable as a method for estimating processing time in system evaluation? The answer is number 3, calculation by time. Why? Why this is a correct answer? Do you know why? It will be very helpful to understand if you search for lecture materials you learned earlier on the internet, and you summarize the reasons. What are the evaluation items described below in system evaluation? Now, let's read the example in the scale box below. Evaluate how accurately the system handles many tasks without failure and gives efficiency and benefits. Which ones are correct? Number 1, functional evaluation. Number 2, performance evaluation. Number 3, reliability evaluation. Number 4, efficiency evaluation. The correct answer is reliability evaluation. What is wrong with the effect of documentation on managers? Number 1, easy work management. Number 2, easy distribution of work. Number 3, writing program is easy. Number 4, easy outsourcing management. What is wrong answer? Wrong answer is number 3. What is not suitable for system evaluation purpose? Number 1, determining the performance and usefulness of the system. Number 2, determine whether the system is properly operated and managed. Number 3, when developing another system, avoid the same error. Number 4, understanding the reliability of the system. Which one is correct answer? Correct answer is number 4. Next question, I will read the question. What is the distance between the purpose and effectiveness of the system's documentation standardization? Number 1, when transferring personnel, it is easy to take over the program preparation and remuneration. Number two, less programming effort, less time and cost savings. Number three, it is difficult to convert the program according to the change of work process or model. Number four, because it is easy to program, you can train open programmers. The answer is number three. This question, you find the correct answer and write it down. Describe system evaluation items. Generally, system evaluation item is three items. One is functional evaluation, and performance evaluation, and reliability evaluation. Functional performance reliability. You find the correct answer and the purpose of this learning activity is to understand the learning content about system evaluation. Find the correct answer, write it down. Are you done? Yeah, okay, good job. Next question. What evaluate whether the new materialized system meets the original needs? This is system evaluation. Please fill in the blanks below. I will read the square box below. What can be accomplished by documenting the items of documentation that appear during analysis, design, implementation, testing, and maintenance activities? Following the software development methodology is called blank standardization. What is this? This is a documentation item. Describe the purpose of the system evaluation. the purpose of this question is to understand the learning contents about the system evaluation. I will give you some minutes. You summarize the reason and correct answer. To find your lecture materials earlier or internet searching. Yeah, the purpose of the system evaluation is describing such as right hand side, determination of the system performance and usefulness. Determine if there are any improvements in the processing cost and efficiency of the system. Determine if the system is properly operated and managed. Avoiding the same errors when developing other systems. And last purpose is reference materials for smooth progress when developing other systems. I understand? Okay. Next. Write about the criteria for the system evaluation. The criteria of system evaluation is 7 factors. I explained before. One is correctness and reliability, flexibility, efficiency, usability, security, productivity. All 7 criteria describe the following elements of system evaluation. System quality, information quality, user satisfaction, personal influence. In fact, I introduce the elements of system evaluation is 6 elements. But here is you describe the 4 elements of system evaluation. System quality is measure the information system itself. Information quality measure the quality of information system output. User satisfaction is user's response to information system output processing. Personal influence is the impact of information on user behavior. Okay? Do you understand? Yeah, okay. Final question. Describe the following types of system evaluation. You summarize this. I'll give you a minute. Yeah. Technology evaluation is determining whether an application is technically viable. Operational evaluation is evaluating an application in terms of input, error rate, timelines of output, and utilization of the available resources. And economic evaluation is by comparing the actual cost and the actual profit, determining whether it will be useful in the end. Everyone, did you understand what I mean? Okay, see you.